Haha, make money online playing your own music, and guess what? You get paid PayPal money for free with this. Stay tuned if you want to hear more about this. What's up, guys? Zeb here today, and we're going to be talking about how to earn PayPal money by playing your own music online like a live concert. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in today's video, but before we get started, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some more freedom in your life. Now, guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you feel like you got some value out of today's video, and drop me a comment and let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. Now, guys, if you have any questions about today's video, post them down below, and I will be happy to answer them. Now, guys, if you are interested in a more passive income, one that you can make money, a full-time income online as a marketer, then click the link down below. My #1 recommended make money online offer. Click that link and I'll send you over some more information. All right, guys, so let's get on with today's video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money online playing your own music. So this is for people that play their own music. So if you're a musician and you play in a band at a bar, or if you just play the guitar and you like to sing, guys, this site, it's called concertwindow.com. Okay, concertwindow.com. I'll put a link in the description for this. I'm not affiliated with it at all, but I found this site and it's pretty cool. Okay, so what this site does is it allows you to log in. It allows you to log in here. Let's go to learn more here. It allows you to log in, go live anytime you want from your laptop, phone, or whatever setup you want. Okay, you can notify your fans on your social media platforms, your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you're at. Let them know that you're going live, and they can log into this platform, watch you play live, give you tips, and buy tickets to watch you play. So it's like an online concert that you can do from your living room, or say you want to do it from the bar that you're playing at on Saturday night. You could have somebody film it, and you could get paid online while you're doing the bar scene somewhere else. All right, so this is a great opportunity to expand your audience online and get paid for doing your music more than once. Okay, so this is only live, so it does live stream. It does not record your stream, so after it's done, it's done. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So basically what it does is it pays you for your ticket. You get paid by selling tickets and your tips. Okay, now the company does take 30% off the top, but people are making some decent money from this. Okay, so I mean, let's look and see what this is. Okay, let's see how it actually works. All right, so these guys are live right now. There's some live shows going on right now as we're speaking. Okay, so we could log in here. We could say, you know what, I want to go to this live right now. Okay, and you can see here, looks like they might be over. Okay, so but you can see here, look, these guys were getting tipped. Okay, they're playing, they got $2 tips, some $6 tip, $5 tip, $10 tip, $10 tip. So they got some tips, and there were $2 to buy a ticket. Okay, so let's go back to another one over here. Let's go to this guy. He's playing, looks like at some piano club maybe, and what he's doing is, you know, he's playing live right now, and tip $10 to get an album download. So what he's saying is, hey, I can actually sell my album. If you tip me $10, I'll go ahead and give you an album as well. So that's another way to do it, right? So this guy's actually saying your tip reward for tipping allows you to do that. Now these are upcoming shows. Okay, so maybe I want to wait. Maybe I want to come to this show of Aaron Marshall. It's a fiddle workshop. Okay, so I could say, you know what? I want to buy a ticket for her show. Her tickets. Okay, it's a $10 ticket, so she charges $10 for a ticket. I go in, I buy the ticket. 70% of it goes to Aaron. Okay, so if I'm Aaron, I'm getting $7 for every ticket sold, and then people come in here and they can tip. So you can see people are already tipping her, right? So you tip $15, you get any CD Aaron and Carl's mailed to you. Okay, so that's pretty cool on itself. It is, you can buy a ticket and tip them. So you spend $25 on their show and you get a CD as well. So that's pretty cool. And guys, people make decent money on this. So I went to our About section and you can see these people making some decent money. I mean, here, December 16th, this band or this person made $1,800. That's pretty good. This person made $669. Okay, so you could see these are 90-minute shows, so it's about an average show. But people are making money doing this. So imagine if you were playing at a bar and you went straight live stream on this, and you're getting paid by the bar and you're also getting paid by this. So you're double dipping. So it's a great opportunity for you to monetize the way you play music and the way you earn. So you could make money 2 times. All right. So this is a good opportunity for you if you have a band, or if you like to make money playing music, or if you just like to play music by yourself in your living room. You could come on here and actually see if you can earn some extra income playing in your living room or your bedroom. All right. But that is concertwindow.com. Okay, just come in here and you can see what other people are earning. You can see how it works. You come in here and see people's past shows and see how they've done. But guys, this is a very cool site, and it's a way to earn some money. And there's also a second site that's similar to this called StageIt. It doesn't seem as popular and it's kind of harder to navigate, but it's somewhat similar, but I kind of like the Concert Window better myself. But you could come in here and actually check this out as well. It's the same way. It works the same way. You get tips. You sign in. You do your live show. So in theory, you could do a show on here and on Concert Window at the same freaking time if you really wanted to, right? You could have somebody record it on both streams and maybe get paid both ways if you wanted to go that route as well. Now you can see this company has been referenced on Fast Company, on Billboard, on Medium. So it's a pretty popular company. I would just pick which one you like the best, which platform you like the best, because it doesn't really matter which platform you like the best. It matters on which platform you use is the one that you like the best, because it's going to be your audience that comes out and plays with you. All right. So I hope you guys got some good value out of today's video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment. And guys, as always, if you're looking for more passive income, click the link at the bottom of the top of my description. Make my #1 recommended make money online offer. This is a passive way to make income full-time online. So if you are interested in that, just click that link and I'll send you some information. All right, peace out and have a good day.